except you, God. And I no pay and a day and I no pay me wakwan fufu na mayenia nyawu ni na mato nyawu come on nyami humiku mimu yo me wakwan fufu na mayenia nyawu ni oh na mato nyawu na mayenia nyawu ni oh re na mato nyawu nyami humiku mimu sakame peja usaka cho Jesus chemi wakwa fufu hey na mayenia nyamuni Jesus say na mato niamu na mayenia nyamuni Come on. Hey, erate, lift your voice, say, Namato, Nyato, Namaye. Oh, erate, that's the only thing that we can do for you, Lord. Erate, matna, wonche, peta usanya tue, oh, you can see it. Metzna wuche and I no payo namato. We want to love the Lord and say namaye nyaupo erate namato niawudo namaye. Love the Lord erate Namato niawuto na ya nyaupo. Oh erati, we want to please the Lord. Come on. Namato niawuto miamye namaye nyaupo miamye namato nyauto namakanye nyame upesa muko erati metzna wonche. Come on, tell the Lord. Oh, he can see metzna. Oh, namato, lift your voice and tell namaye nyaupo. Namato niawuto namayo kadibo shede rande balobade rande raboshe namato niawuto anopeya namaye. Come on ebo shede erate woni titi Nankopana. Oh, Unyasa Fuye. Oh, Anope Unyami Kasi. Oh, Yeka, Yeka, Yeshi, Yeshi, let's proclaim to the Lord. Come on. Titi. He's the ancient God. Oh, yes, sir. Hey. Hey. Oh, Yamika. Anupaya. Misori wo. Mishiwo. Oh, Yamika siye. Mika. Mika fuo. Inyamye. Yeshi. Onyami kesi Yeshi. I wish somebody can lift your voice and tell the Lord Energy Titi Titi Nyakopon. Hey, Onyami kesi Jesus. Oh, Mika Fuo, Mika Fuo. Lift your voice and say, Ninuma, oh, Mika, oh, Fuo. Oh, Nyakopon, Nami Sonyo Mima Otufo Otufu Onu ni Ewura Mikafu Miamye Ninuma Mika. Lift your voice and say sana wawuno owaweni penkrani wu Yesu yetuwe asaya komsheni no ose komse obewu obabeni bi now our friend is say now our friend ni say asu woponi jina sana wawuno yetuwe owaweni pekrani wu Yesu. Hey, asaya komseni no ose komse wobewu obabeni bi amano now our friend you know, Ose, come say, Wapewu, Obabeni, Bi, Amamini, now our friend, Owa, Weni, Deja, Yeti, enough for Riba, Erati, what you have for the Lord. Yet enough for repay and pay. Oh, Yenisi Kani, Tite, Yenishi. Oh, Yeti Awumawo, Yeti Awumawo, Kwanshefunu, Namana Chipai, Anachupai, Kwanshefu, Mayesu Tripa, Yetsuo, Yeti Enafo, Riba, Erati, oh, Yeti Enafo, Yenishi, Kosa Gabriando Shadaha, Reliba Rosamera, oh, Yeti Umao, Yeti Umao, Yeti Enafo, Yeti Enafo. Come on, tell the Lord and say, let me sing this song. Erati umuna miti mirem mashe. Come on, let's tell the Lord. Oh, wamalame nimemwa yetsuwe pepero kadebo shada. Erati umuna miti mirem mashe. Come on, wamalame nimemwa nimemye atumemye. Oh, pepiara Yaw Owusu Ansah nyamye. Erati umuna miti mire mashe. We have nobody to trust God. Wamane many men wasi yetsuwe atunamye metonyamye. Yes, sorry, Missy, Metonyamie, Rakosa Bashadada, Pepero, Pepiara, Pepiara Mekono, Oka, Miho, Mini Yesu. Come on, Mini Yesu. Tell the Lord and say, oh, yeah, mother, Opa, Anopea, Pepia, Yabako, oh, okay, Pepia, Yabako, okay, Mini Yesu, we have nowhere to go.
abusua ma me mfa nchia kase ema baby bia wo bia ne baby bia wo tie oman a wo so ne kura wo so yɛhyɛ yɛhyɛda agyae mu a sɛdeɛ bɛyɛ yenua bɛma Solomon ebedi anim na yɛde wɔ sɔreɛ ntontom kamfos mpagya ne kronye ɛde ama ɔno awurade na yɛn nso so yɛato bi de adi n'akyi begiri yɛsɛ wɔne wo fiefo nyinaa no kae mu a woteɛ kura a wo so no ɛnwom na wo to bi adidi n'akyi memetie nyinaa no I'm just thinking of ɛnwom no a wɔto no emunsɛm Bible no sɛ yɛnto ɛnwene ho adwom ɛti ɛnwene ho dwom no sɛ obi to a na wode wadwene ne wakoma edi akyire ɛno ne kae me ansɛm a ɛnura me no kenkae no ɔsɛ saa berɛ no a na ɔhene Herod tene ne nsa ɛyɛ asafo no mu enipa no bi ayayadeɛ ne ayakayakadeɛ na ɔyɛ saa no ɔkye abrante a yɛfrɛ no Yakubu ɛne ohunu sɛ ɛsɔ ɔman no ani enti menom yɛno yɛkɔ baayi wonnim sɛnea sɛ oho ba asɛm a James ne papa yɛfrɛ no Zebedee, a very helpful man in the town, in the city, will be a company wɔn yɛ fishing work. The Zebedee family wɔn wɔ adwuma kɛseɛ a wɔn fa workers akɛseɛ aberante ɛyɛ James ɛne ne nua bɛrima John wɔn na ne ɛhwɛ wɔn papa adwuma no eti ne wɔn yɛ fishing work wɔn ne Peter na yɛ adwuma but ne Peter ɛwɔ ne deɛ but mmeranteɛ mmienu yi wɔn papa boat ɛna wɔde ama wɔn nti anya no ma employ nkurɔfoɔ bebree afa nkurɔfoɔ bebree adwuma wɔn ayɛ adwuma wɔn papa adwuma nti etu wɔn yɛ sikafoɔ ɛmba ɛna wɔn hyia Yesu na wɔn gya wɔn abrabɔ no ma Yesu nti that decision agyinasi a wɔn si yɛ no a ɛna mɛfɛ deɛ ɛni about time wɔn yɛ sikafoɔ ma no na obiara nhyɛ da ne wɔn ni asɛm obiara ni wɔn ni asɛm wɔn kan sɛ yɛagye Yesu Kristo di their choices their decision wɔn agyinasi a wɔn si yɛ no ɛfɛ deɛ kurom wɔ ne yɛhwɛ mmeranteɛ wɔ ani mmienu ani mmiɛnsa ani nan ani nwɔtwe ɛne nkoro ne du efiri da woka sɛ wagya wo ho ama Yesu na ɔrensa no na obi amfa onyɛ hwee they were expecting you so ba rensa no watroke na tese wasɛe no watete no wapro wo bu na ɔbasa gasa mento gata no mani agye na jam sedia uyi ensire hwehwɛ ani insire hehe no mani agye bada woka sɛ bede me ho ama owura Yesu Kristo pɛ da woka sɛ mimi jami pɛ mo ma Yesu pɛ wo ma me ma o papa ma wo nam for community friends ɛhɔ no mo nyina gange up ɛno na me kasa ba bi na me sɛ abre bi a wo thinking sɛ ne a wo dwene no ɛyɛ soronko ɛkyɛ bi no no wɔyɛ o ma me ba korampa no wahyɛ aseɛ na ɔtwe ne ho when they begin to see say when this suade ho no yɛ soronko o kasa yɛ soronko your thinking level yɛ soronko pɛ so na mo na no mo dwene the same obi ani ha wo but when you're thinking sɛ ne a wo dwene no eba yɛ soronko pa na efe ya hyase e de ani asiwo so sana Bible no American kan no kai abrantie yi James won kan bi nhye Yesu ode ne ho amanenti ye be che no ade enkoa no waka ade enkoa no oyeye gise bia Adom da kwabo na ebetumi akyere from the theological point say oh ebia wo yes Bible no baby amakenkan de on kan de kro oyeye the Bible is silent etobre bia niam bi to obi sakura say ye den na ade wo yatomia enhye da ni nyina so enso yesi ya James ya chi James yi twere ne say ne krom hofo ani age de me nwanwo no se asum ni mu bia ho ba asem obi anka hwe baba Kristo ni osofo corona ya bay nyina me tena se hwa attack kese ni nyina na asofo no na Kristofo no e se de omunya sore nko beta se mo keke bia ya na mdwen sa se monya mental problem ye nyina na yete kroma ye nyina na yete omanimo ye nyina na yete omanimo ase corona na ase Kristofo na de aba etubenza akeka na yakeka te say Christians no na Christians no Chirane sa na yoye when James was arrested, then he got to know the reality of life. Omemuni nyina no obia de naniasi ayedo Zebedi ba pa ya che no Zebedi ba aya wo mo de na sa so wo mani en wo mo keka ene be Facebook sa bare na Facebook ko han ka be Twitter Instagram no mo twere aha si ya che ba ko woni me se ye ko ba di obi nya ya na nka ye Kristofo yi asofo yi na nka ba ko ya de bi a che no. You don't know the wishes of people. Abusia when the ankrofo adwene when ankrofo seresere ba wonnim wo madwene da biara da ebi dwene wo wuo ebi dwene amane ebi dwene nimguase ebi dwene aka ebi dwene ensopa bi o se ba oso na sa da no twere ne kan se na obi kan se na da ben na akwa we kro obewu amane din afiri ho wo betimi adwene ho za. You can't just understand. Ya James na nkrofo ani age ye sendi papa metena se endi papa ne de sekai atu ne kom pa te se aboa odwan ne ye twede sofo age menim se me kana no anobe kabi
bonsam pese
Wanobe kebi.
No say no opeso stop Christosum.
Opeso si Christosum kwai.
Yeah, remember omo aka na abo. Because when you near see the den we see the charity. Charity na moja.
Yes. No, can you imagine? Me bada wo kan obema bia wo de sekan atwitwa na yire ekunu. Can you imagine? Wo betimi adwene ho se obi a okanya me asem sikani ba wo de no abema awurade. Na yetimi achide na injustice aye adwuma.
Bishop, they thought that could stop Christianity.
Injustice. A popular Zebedi family. Zebedi ne baba akọ. Abrantewa ye friend James. Ni yetimi atwaditi. Sekai pa ne yedi atom. Meso wo ye Kristo ni amepa acho bebre wo ye Kristo ni ni wo ho papa ni wo ho mama show nkura na men kan kiro say ni wo ho the entire business etobere bia me bompa ya ma multimedia me say because of multimedia standing out from day one I started here minim microphone na di sikaba omo pese omo to airtime e ka omo som ho asem Ura kwasi twum se mimma from Joy FM was mimma me station no yen kam bibi apart from Yesu. From that day for sada no your station enya ho to da. From that day be say ya hihye mfidi abo se bibi ansi yo na mfidi ni nya ne jatom. From that day na dua bi si animu ha ya ne nyame bia ni no obi dia be show what one eniema ni na blast be eniema bi wono ma ekwa people doesn't know wo munnim ekwa ye nammu ebebre no nim 25 years ago ye constantly Kumasi Love FM me da station nyese me ni fio ye be station no na on say some men say so for this all called de Kumasi na me de Kumasi me the radio station ho ya da ho san tom te say ya da ho na wo ho na mfidie de jatom se me starting kra ha ye no sa be se wonya declare so wo de bibia ma Yesu what dedicate ya ma Yesu there are some of the things I attack wo I didn't know be a giant station or be an kind of papa baby, but my multimedia will be nyai. Won't send you be a cabby. Why? Because this station, a pioneer work. When we do a bomb, I'm gonna say, station, yeah, Masumbia and my yet when Sumbia had that for 25 years, they have been consistent. It's well, you did, you know, yeah, what if you make away at the actual so we who fear, yeah, bombarding a bomb, Payama multimedia.
Bishop, Asafono, you're harmless.
Bompayama, people are woman. Your companies, woman be a woman companies, woman see woman Christians. For senior 6 times not frustrated woman companies. 6 times no frustrated one more believers, strong Christians, one more sponsor crusades, sponsor suffer. Me to be mobading. I bring you be by na dwele se be me ho si wa ma Kristo biara. Na hye ede ma asase na kutiaw sika kesukusa wo mo ba fode ma nyame wo mo nyame asafo koso wo mo sponsor nyame adwuma abusua de be kan. It may sound revelation to you today, but check it. Footballers obeti be kase media men kwadro so ne ani aba no so. Coach so omade yi wo manim se media me ye Kristo ni no man be sisi no. Men ko ho ya anom. Wenya ye wadire se media all the days of my life. But me kra ma brabo ma setuna ma Yesu. Na battle that started. James ya chino. Na bibia nyame ya say ye bechi Peter no nipa ba akofo hwe nipa dodo aye ma na yen no
soldiers.
How many?
16.
Nipa ba akofo adai we notorious criminal.
Kristo ode no one man.
Kristo be abusia Bible yi bomi ahwehwam ye.
Kristo ode no one man.
Kristo ode no one man nti.
Bishop sasa na wo kan no ye won say edin Kristo no so obinya yi nanim na me he 1 Timothy no o kase on na opeso de nyamsom patnase e wo Kristo Yesu nyina ye beta wo mo.
People doesn't know. When your foundation is Christos,
especially when you anim a.
When your foundation is Christos.
You anim sane ya you anim ya.
So for that me edi bio. Me da na ye komfo ba wonim. Nanso so man kodi ne komfo n'achi. Me na be ma ye komfo be ma enso man kodi enu achi. Me bo madwene se sane etie bia wo wura Yesu ya mate ne ho asem be de me ho be ma no. Enso wo ye dani ane kania na beto me so. Apim beto benkom ne opidu atonifa. Ya bachi Petro so di kotuma 16 soldiers. Asrafo pari edunsia wo ye macho men. Wo ma bose banku. Nipa ba akofo. Ya di che ya chechire no. Ya di che wo di ya ka se nsori miebie. Hwe enema nsesa ya de ato ama nsori. Me say, we are Christo near. These are some of the things I was all tears here. Wokofa niema ba wo mo twe no bibia anya o madwuma ba wo a wo so be di no kura no atua duty no airport habo Ghana ye habo enkrofo bi be frustrate you wo se wo to asase asida ma awurade na de wo to ma wo no ato ma ni padu woni me say ya sorry. Bible said na what cheap Petro so and now what the Petro so eto ho and the 60 mama mempon 16 soldiers. Menom ya de yakoba wonim enkrofo ya release wo mo di wati wonim de entia wa de say
na me kase meanwhile Christianity harmless, very friendly. But you don't understand why
what did that say kuroma fasting edru Easter bra Christopher fasting 40 days. What they say the more abre Christians da what did be that? What is a company be I can say Christians are here inti what is say ya ko Israel ya magana ya timi aka say Christians the monso mama saying and Yana me one my meme trasio me dwene ko akiri. Eno Germany no be me kan kwada nyina obi oye German babia no. E sign corona nti aban na sa akwada bia 300 euros. Mumagin kodi. Kwada bia 300 euros. Mumagin kodi. Mumagin kodi. Iti nipa ne kan na me se da be na mi kurom.
E bedru. E bedru. Bishop, Christo sum ye hamlet.
So for you also meja kasa.
Christo sum ye hamlet.
Yeah, now person provoke me on. So for you I'm a tete me am pay you. I'm a tete me. I'm a tete me. I was here so 16 military men was assigned. 16 military men. And I don't pay minimum my sign or my tia war. The Bible no say omo no say na sua for no so omo divide omo. A sua for no bomb pie.
They were not divided.
They did not divide themselves. Abusia eno na me pese me no omo no ye momodene na ye mfa ye nimra ye ho so. The system can divide us. By ye nwenta so say. Me nua sofo no so ye kromfo kurampo no a. Se ne otie biara no. Me nua no. Mama ma ye homa. Mama ye nyina ma ye ho ye ho. Nka ye ho. Mama yanko ye didi ama ye ho no nkyerɛ sɛ me nka no kora nkyerɛ wo. Samuel say empire ne de mebɔ ama mo na no kora no so meka kyerɛ mo. Wo de onua no so ye kɔwinsani a mama ye mmɔmɔdene ye nima ye ho kokoa mu no ye nka nkyerɛ na nye radio so. Enye TV so. Let us what to wada jumtini ko na sofo ne sofo ko san kwada asaba na se ne sai momma ye ne ayen dindim ma ye ho yen gina ma ye ho let us pray for one another anopai se me ba ya asem tietia me wo ma ho no e wo mu se na 6 time no ka Christians no she but the Christians that was the time na Peter hon ye James Peter anya hohwe. But ya chi wo no Peter no. Esuafo se David yentena ho. Mesra wo.
See yes sorry suffer.
Enkwada no wa chire no. Peter was the leader. Why a mistake? But one moment did not anya mistake. Almost say we will mobilize prayer force. Woman cry sorry them. Uncle be fie. That is why the church cannot collapse. Amen. You bet me about say young choir sorry but the church will not collapse. Amen. I saw the idea. Baby, you will be a you suffering a me. Obifie. My God. You obifie no ko bompa. Obifie no mo ko dim pa ya bomb. It was still a church. Men you say you ko shia wo Methodist sorry them Anglican SDA Church of Christ Pentecost Assemblies of God and sign it say ya sorry and you dying no.
And the Bishop said, sorry. I say, we can still remain in our houses.
Or so for me, see, you be with your fellowship. Well, ya cheap Peter 16 soldiers. As a for no bumpire, one more bumpire, no yammy buff was sunny, but no be hit a brand to Peter says, sorry. Peter, yeah, give up. I said, sorry. Sorry, they say what I didn't say on Pabua. Satan and one ready when you know, maybe. I say sorry. Sorry, they say what I did. Now, me, the American was me go far. What's it? Bobette, just a one lose.
Sorry.
I was here. I remember Adom Believers Chapel is coming on so strong. Yeah, Baba Shihanon, so pepe. Now ya bomwa worship Thanksgiving. Ya be bompire, ya be bompire, but Tojomo Swaka hon. Nia Jinya Miasem, Yebenya GPCC. Titreni, Papa ya from Paul Manson, and the Asofo be a kekahon, they will come around. Anglican Asofo, and Methodist Asofo, but I don't believers, all believers, all believers. That is what we would do. I don't know, Yameya Adomwa, a Kwesiadanopa.
Bishop, Wunia Penny, Bakunayenria Penny. Church of Pentecost software or war Akuape Mampo.
So cross or bass watch you.
Annual.
Yet the Baba.
Reverend Emmanuel Ahengua.
Yet the Baba.
24/7. What's it?
Yet the Baba. Yet the Baba. Yet the Baba. Okay, and Yabraso, but the Macan and my bono boise. A woman said na asra food dunsia, and ye do omo a sea pitaso. Nanso so. A GD for no bomb pie. A GD for no bomb pie. The church. The church was in somebody's house. Mama for Mama Yadrin said this is Yawa. I saw it there 1,800 and said the church was in somebody's house. Or be empire. One more bomb pie no. Prison ho. A prono bui. Na aja Peter pie. One catch us say this is Yeshua stadium answer. In that small environment, BBC. The Yakan Radima BBC si. E won so fie. Jumedia eba won chen patos. Me yasa na de mabofra no abegyina no de ne za kire people no patos AIB. Woman the boka ema me de jumedia ebrewo. Woman na yes Centol a natural disinfectant and sanitizer for your homes and your personal hygiene. Centol. Now will be the good in him. Centol, a disinfectant and a sanitizer for your home and your personal hygiene. Na enya nonko uwa CIC and spray sorry them. Oh, fumigation, woman yahu adwuma dodo. Woman yahu adwuma dodo. Woman yahu adwuma dodo. Na so matese ya ma companies bi say woman na enya ya sorry. Na yeni anzo your machine bi anzo ya be dey. Economically we need to manage our money. Yeah, offering nti yeso ebetumi ato machine no ye spray ye fie. Ada na no so mama ye kwan. Ada na no so mama ye kwan ya no boy. Obisi Yaw Owusu Ansah wo kansam dodo. Na me kansam manu ya boy ya dan. Santoi FDA for approve da a year Juma or Ebola time. Ebusia woman about Kama side you made way say about home bet me from 0541110136. 0541110136. And we throw on my Madame on Sakari. Mama about Facebook, I make no much training many bees so go on Yamin Shramo Papa. Moya dear quotation, telephone number, you know much go. Madame said, and a weekend. See Jabba. Me sorry, I'm an ababa to us. And good morning and happy birthday to Stella Alaba Johnson, 50 years. Who are community 12 and happy birthday. And from your husband, Mr. Luke Johnson, God bless the family. And see Jabe ma Yamampai. Meet tobacco also for Bompie. Meet tobacco, Emanem Pahon. Would you for by Manem Pahon? Meet tobacco pie ball.
All right, that was sick. What was some brain?
Ampo.
Yet, Chiri Pitane. Yet, also, Christopher, sorry. I rather was some about my young sorry. Papa, can you bomb say? I was seeing Bacum.
Your full Bacuma.
I rather come, can you bomb say? Your full Bacuma. I Christopher, my young sorry. I rather my young sorry. Nay, you're sorry. You're just too much of a cassa. I rather cassa. My BBC, not Ghana who say, we Christo, when I will crom man.
Who goes to the hen?
I rather do it,
cause you did.
Papa do it, cause you did. Kumaye, Casamaye, Netimaye, you ever say when you're young. As a then count, Adom Ahengua. Amen.
The church was in one house. The church was in one house. Oh, Medical just say, Adom dear, we are in one house. Joy, we're in one house. Just say, CJ Waha. I said, then you have pretty safe. CJ, and what's Ranaba, and Tafogos Ranaba, and Tafogos Ranaba. But so many young calls CJ, Mr. For video to a mention Kobabia, CJ at once with a strong oil grace. Now, obey should also the amount. I love you. God bless you.